This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm at Lachine, checking out this train here, headed west, probably to do a little switching. Oh, is he gonna go up there? Very weird that these double stack cars seem to have only one container in them. Indicates to me it's going somewhere where they just don't have the height for the double stacks. Hey, here's a double stack coming up. It's Thursday, January 30th, 2020, on a nice winter day here, -7 but no wind, and we got nice sun. Right here, I'll juxtapose this with a giant mound of snow. We have a snow dump here in Lachine, right behind there. Wonder if this train's gonna back up. It's gonna be interesting if it does. What's this train have behind there? Oh, hopper cars. String of hopper cars. Usual graffiti on them. It looks like it's going to stop now and do a backup move. That's the exterior tunnel to Lachine. This is Lachine EXO station, which is interesting. You got 3 train tracks on one side of me and I got 3 in the back, so it's an interesting spot. And I spoke with the EXO guard not too long ago. He was cool with me being here. I have a pass, so long as you have your Opus card loaded and you're in the right zone, the EXO guard, if you're polite to him, he'll be good. He'll be cool. Yeah, so this one is stopping, it looks like. What else he got in the back there? Got some just regular box cars and maybe looks like some more containers. Yeah, so it looks like he's actually moving forward here. He might have agreed now. No need to do a switching. He's just moving out. He's a road unit, which means there'll probably be a DPU at the end. Well, that's colorful. I think it says erase. Here's more double stacks. Looks like a long line of them. Here we get the mound of snow in the background. I'm also checking behind me because I could have a train coming the other way too. We're at the end of it over there? Looks like it's the end of that train there, yeah. Alright, this one seems to be waiting for clearance. And over here is Highway 20 behind me. I'll walk up a little bit. This train just might move backwards, might move forward, you just never know. And I'll give it a little bit of time while I walk up the platform here. Have a look. Yeah, it looks like it's moving back. This one's moving backwards. Well, he's not finished building his train yet. Now I'll keep this going while I walk up here. It's always a good idea to keep in mind where you are, because this station has a very narrow platform between 6 lanes of rail traffic. So if you're filming, always be mindful of where you are. Here, this is pushing itself right back here. And it's one single ES44 AC unit on the front. I saw it before. Oh, and here it comes, as I said, another CN train. Always cool. And you see two trains at once, pretty much. I'll focus more on the CN train. Yeah, on the CN you'll see a lot of that Wisconsin Central. Those boxcars were just never repainted. Wisconsin Central was absorbed into the CN system around 2001 or something like that. It's basically a ghost railroad. And here we still have the CP train pushing itself back. Slowly but surely moving itself back. Here we'll get both trains in the shot. Here at Lachine. Focus a little more here on the CN train because that seems to be moving faster. It'll probably clear here long before the CP train is done. There will probably be a CN DPU in here. Oh, this is cool. And I got the CSX train coming as well. So now we got 3 trains running. Both trains are still running here. Looks like the CSX train is the last one going here. CP one is stopped. So we still have two trains in the shot. Our CP, which is sitting, and our CSX train, which is just about to end here. That's headed towards Dorval. Not sure what's happening with this one. Oh, it's moving again forward. Odd. Okay, well, this is a long video already, so I'm going to end it here. If you like what you just saw, please subscribe to Go Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.